Been a total of 6 days since we last uploaded.
Oh yeah, it's been a while.
Well, I guess 7 when tomorrow when we upload, but we're back. Still chasing the gremlin in the 5.7.
Oh yeah.
Piece of shit Dodge Magnum.
Oh yeah.
But Clayton's got some ideas. He's gonna run them through them.
So I was kind of rushed. I did my EGR valve outside of my house. So as you can see, barely see, there is a gap there. Oh fuck, right there. Yeah. I'm probably gonna put some Dio grease on that. I tightened it as much as it would. I'm thinking I put the metal gasket on there wrong, the opposite way it's supposed to be. So yeah, gonna use this just to seal it up. This is for my headers when we finally do them. I'm just gonna toss this on there. Pray to God.
You just gonna squirt that shit in there?
I'm squirting that shit in there.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get roasted for this.
I'm squirting that shit in, boy. Look at it build up.
It's all just gonna come out at once.
Oh yeah, dude. I can already tell this working. Oh, shit, it's hard to squeeze out. Alright, now that's gonna be hot.
So we're gonna use the finger.
Oh yeah. Get off there. Damn wire's in my way. I can't get it. Yeah, the original one, this was more cocked. Now it's hitting this. Oh fuck. We're good. I'm getting it everywhere. I do feel like ready now. Fuck it, dude. That's a cool color.
Rust color.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell everybody this ain't new. This is all rusty and shit. So they can't tell me changing this is why it's broken. Alright, maybe tighten that up a little more. Some tin wheels.
Bitch.
Oh god, I was way off. I think those are 8s.
Next up is the throttle body.
Oh fuck. Oh, be a bitch.
Oh my god. That's what he's gonna do. And it worked. I hope you didn't break that one.
Sick. Now.
We think we gotta jack up the car.
15. Yeah.
Car is up on jack stands. Just put those there because the fucking car's way too goddamn low in the front to even jack it up in the front. So the plan is to put those on when we go to let the whole bitch
Dude,
down.
I'm right here by my fucking
The header. Drive shaft.
my cat.
But yeah, Clayton's looking for his starter now. He's gonna get them 13 mil bolts like he said. And he'll have that shit done in 10 minutes or less.
I'm gonna get burnt by this fucking exhaust. That's what's gonna happen. This shit is hot.
Hey, you had to warm the motherfucker up.
Oh yeah.
Get in there, boy. Yeah. I'm gonna get his ass a light so you can actually see.
This passenger side go right up in there. Just beat the shit out of my side, my engine bay. It'll fit right in. Fuck these 5.7 talking about.
Just get a fucking mallet. Yeah, Clayton's in here. He's got how many bolts off?
I got 1, and they're all loosened, and this one's about to come out.
Yeah.
In 3.
He's complaining.
2. Never mind, there it is.
He's complaining that he didn't like using his wrist. So this is too much.
Dude, I just used my wrist before I came over here.
God. Yeah, Clayton's starter is so much easier to get to than it is on the 3.5s. 3.5s, you gotta fucking unbolt the entire steering shaft and it's like up there. It's just clearly visible right here.
Why not just take the engine out and...
Not put a 5.7 in it?
Huh?
Not put a 5.7 in it?
No, just take the engine out just to change the starter.
Oh, yeah.
Well, oh, fuck, I can't do it that one.
Just one bolt. Oh.
What's that?
This.
Oh. Sick.
Okay, it just crushed in my hands. It doesn't really do anything, but
sick.
It was a piece. It looks like a dirty ass roach.
Hope these don't matter. Really go back in.
This doesn't matter.
All right. Okay. Take that fucking starter and move her. God, I'm rolling over my new sensor.
Hard to see. You need some glasses.
Hey, boy, how the fuck do I move this thing back? Isn't all the far?
I gotta put my hand.
I'm leaking something.
I gotta
right
put
there.
the camera down. Oh, wait, there now. After battling with a bunch of fucking piece of shit plastics, plastic clips, Clayton got it out. He was literally about to just manhandle that shit. I could see it coming, and it just snapped out right as it should. But yeah, shit's out. You might have heard. It was like, what's my shit leaking? Well, we'll talk about that later. You guys just have to see.
Yeah. We'll talk about that some other time.
This is all we have left to do, I think. I thought it was going to be a lot of work, but fuck me, it wasn't that much work.
No.
Mainly Clayton do all the work, but both of us are doing it. We're all good. Yeah,
It's right side? What the fuck?
We took a 6-day absence on our channel because we just haven't honestly had anything to film. I don't know if you guys heard, Clayton said if it's not this, he's gonna try what?
Camshaft sensor.
Camshaft sensor. And the car's gone. We had to fucking push it. Because of course, with Clayton's Diablo, you gotta update the motherfucker anytime you do something to it. So, now I'll take all my shit, close the shop up, and see if we've done anything, if we've just been wasting our time and Clayton's been wasting his money. But yeah. She's tuned. Or updated, or whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
It's tuned. He just tuned, that's what he did.
Oh yeah. With my laptop.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm fucking nervous as fuck, bro. That was weird. I don't know.
Now we take it to the streets.
It ain't fixed, boys.
It ain't fixed, boys.
It's running better.
So yeah, I was gonna say Clayton said it ain't fixed, but so far I feel like it's running better. But could be a
Just
fluke.
the start was real wonky.
Yeah, the start was. But you could try it again here after we get done and see if it does that shit again, because that was after you updated everything and we done plugged a bunch of shit.
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard that, but Clayton said it was misfiring, like stuttering again. I assume that's what he means.
As soon as I went in the second gear, it bogged down.
This kind of feels like last time. We're just kind of defeated and we're just kind of driving around.
Yeah.
Just kind of waiting for something to happen.
I rarely open her up, so I'm gonna see if I can get her to cough some shit up or something.
Take a pill. Clayton, that is the fastest I have ever gone in a car.
Same. I had to beat.
Same?
Yeah, same. I had to beat a V6 Mustang I drove once. Easy.
Out through here.
Yeah, on this same road.
In Mexico.
In Mexico. Done this before.
Uh-oh. I was like, he was revving that shit. I thought we just lost gears. We kind of just did.
See, it's done this before. Hold on.
You better get it figured out. We're on the wrong side of the road. Fucking wrong side of the road in the road. Alright, we're off. Buy a Dodge. Just don't.
Like, I don't know. It's done that before.
That was a new thing for me, an experience for me. But Clayton said he's experienced that before. That is like,
yeah, just
that is what it looks like. Losing all gears would seem like.
Yeah, it seriously feels like you just push first right through all your neutrals, but turn it off, turn it back on, and it's fine. I got another engine light, which is good.
Check engine.
Yeah. Which I say that's a good thing because
it's just telling you.
Yeah, it's telling me. It told me to replace that
sensor that.
And that was the only logical thing it's ever told me. Usually it doesn't go off. I'm glad I got to beat on it and actually have a code pop up. Maybe this time it'll be the correct code because that obviously did not fix my problem.
But hey, we replaced the sensor.
Yep. Got another new part on the car.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we don't really know what's next on the channel yet. Like I told you guys, we took a 6-day break or whatever. It wasn't even a break. It wasn't intentional. We just didn't have anything to film. We couldn't think of any video ideas. We have some in our head now, but we'll save them for a day. We'll get them done eventually. But I don't know what I'm doing next. If the weather gets right, I'll someday get those fucking wheels done. Waiting on my dad. I went over and checked on them. One of them is primed halfway, and the other one is sandblasted halfway, so that's where it's on that. Not sure when shit's gonna get done. My dad actually just crashed his truck 2 weeks ago and got a new one like a couple days ago. Drove all the way to North Dakota for it. I don't know what Clayton's plans are, if he's gonna, like I told you guys, that's sensor. I don't know if you plan on doing that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my camshaft sensor. That was my crank sensor.
That was the crank sensor. I never even knew what we were doing. I guess I'll have to see what this code tells him he got. So
yeah,
see on that.
Put it in this video.
No, we ain't putting in this video. This video's too fucking long. You're gonna have to wait for that shit. But other than that, we don't have anything planned. We'll see how it goes. Take the days. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Thanks for supporting it. Shouts out to you guys. Shouts out to everyone in the Dodge Magnum groups. guys liked the video, want to subscribe for more, subscribe more. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike. Tell us why you didn't like it. And we'll see you guys